I'm expecting a spectacular film. I've been hearing so much about it, so I'm very, very excited, and it's a very brave film. And yeah, so just here to be, I don't know, inspired, I guess. I can't hear you. Absolutely, I think Kalki is one of the more, I don't know, amazing actresses we have of this generation. And whatever work I've seen of her from Devi or any other film that she's done, or a film like Ye Jawani, I think she's constantly sort of, you know, changed the parameters of great acting. And I'm very excited for this one, very, very excited. Also because I knew the preparation she had put in for this film, because she was in Delhi when I spoke to her, and I knew what all she was going through to actually prepare for this part. So I'm really excited for this.
Do you think more and more such kind of films should be made in Bollywood?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think every week I see all my contemporaries really pushing the envelope and doing something crazy, and that's the way to go forward.
I saw the trailer and I completely loved it. I wouldn't have missed this film for anything in the world. I told Kalki that I'll go to the theatre and watch it, and then she said, no, we're having a screening soon. So I'm here to watch it. I'm very excited. She's unbelievable in the trailer, and going by the trailer, I think the film's going to be that I watched the trailer and I sent Kalki a message because I thought she was unbelievable. So I'm dying to watch the film. That's all I can say.
बहुत बढ़ गया pressure. देखते हैं.
और क्या? अच्छी फिल्में बन रही है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, और एक्ट्रेसेस के लिए, हीरोइनों के लिए अच्छे रोल्स लिखे जा रहे हैं, ये सबसे अच्छी बात है। और 3-4 साल पहले जब डर्टी पिक्चर और कहानी हुई, तब लोग कह रहे थे कि अच्छा दिस इज़ यू नो आउट ऑफ द ऑर्डिनरी, पर स्लोली ये नॉर्म बनता जा रहा है। मतलब पिछले साल ही 5 ऐसी बेहतरीन फिल्में निकली। आज मार्गरीटा देखने वाली हूँ। आई थिंक साल की शुरुआत अच्छे से हुई है। सो ग्रेट, मोर पावर टू you know, all those writers and filmmakers who are telling beautiful stories with women at the helm.
Great things. I've seen the trailer and I completely fell in love with it. So I'm really looking forward to the film. And of course, Kalki is a superb actress, and whatever I saw from the trailer was actually really tear-jerking. So I wonder what the film will do. You know, I'm still to watch the film, but we did our first movie together I mean, her first movie was really with us, Devdi, and you know, since then it's been a remarkable journey for her. So really looking forward to this film. I can't hear you. I'm sorry.
बॉलीवुड में वुमेन सेंटिमेंट काफी बन रही है, so do you think it's a बॉलीवुड में कंसिस्टेंट हो रहा है?
I think so, and I think that's been the trend over the last few years now, and it's a great trend to have because you know we need all sorts of cinema, and you know we're happy to support that sort of cinema, and we at Disney have always done that. See, I've not seen the movie yet, so it's a little early for me to comment, but we look at every script from the perspective of is it engaging, is it entertaining for the audience, is it something that engages them, and if it is, then that's something that we'd love to go ahead and do.
Malini, who is actually a character that Kalki's character is based on, loosely based on a person. She's a person I know, and I am very intrigued to see what Kalki has made of Malini in this film, and I'm extremely happy that this film has been made. I think it's a subject that no filmmaker in India has even considered before. So there are many firsts with this film, but most importantly, I think we are highlighting the fact that sex is just as important a part of a person with disability than it would be for anybody else. And what is most amazing is that the character's disability is not the focal point of the film. It is about her coming of age as a person. I love Kalki. I think right from her first film, Devdi, it's been more than evident that she's a phenomenal actor. I can't imagine anybody else having played this part. She has this raw innocence with a combination of intelligence and craft that very few people have, and I can't wait to see her performance in this film. आई थिंक ये जो मुद्दा है और जिस तरह से और जिस सेंसिटिविटी से इस मुद्दे को हैंडल किया गया है, मैंने अभी तक फ़िल्म देखी नहीं है, पर मैं बहुत पढ़ती आ रही हूँ फ़िल्म के बारे में, बहुत चर्चे में रही है ये फ़िल्म। मैंने कल्कि के आर्टिकल्स पढ़े, उनके वीडियो इंटरव्यूज़ देखे, और जैसे कि मैं पहले बता रही थी कि जो कैरेक्टर पर बेस्ड है, आधारित है कल्कि का कैरेक्टर फ़िल्म में, मैं उस लड़की को जानती हूँ। और आई थिंक सोनाली एक ऐसी फिल्म, एक ऐसी कहानी बोलने की कोशिश कर रही है जिसमें डिसेबिलिटी इज़ नॉट द सेंट्रल फोकल पॉइंट ऑफ द फिल्म। ये एक कमिंग ऑफ एज स्टोरी है, इसमें ह्यूमर है, रोमांस है, और एक ऐसी हकीकत है जो हम सबको एम्ब्रेस करना सीखना चाहिए। हम जब कैंपेन्स करते हैं और कहते हैं लोगों से कि एक्सेसिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए डिसेबिलिटी के लिए, किसी को भी डिसेबिलिटी हो सकती है, कल आप अपने पैर तोड़ सकते हो, आप एक व्हील चेयर पे, आपकी बाकी की ज़िंदगी खुदा ना खास्ता, मैं एग्ज़ाम्पल के तौर पे कह रही हूँ, बट दीज आर फैक्ट्स अबाउट लाइफ दैट वी काइंड ऑफ टोटली अंडरमाइन एज अ सोसाइटी. And the other thing is that the moment we see somebody in a wheelchair, we stereotype our understanding of them, you know, and I think ये फिल्म उन सब बातों को चैलेंज करती है जो हमारी stereotypical mindsets है उनको. Thank you.
Who are the special people invited for today's screening as such?
Vidya Balan, Sri Devi, and of course there are Boni Kapoor, Siddharth, Roy Kapoor. There's some other directors. I'm really excited about Vidya and Sri Devi as, you know, women actors. I think.
Is there confirmation done from their side?
Yes.
And ma'am, Bachchan has also, you know, played the movie as Amitabh Bachchan. What do you have to say about it?
It was mind-blowing for me. I mean, he's an icon that we have grown up as children watching, right? And so for him, in such a genuine way with tears in his eyes to say how beautiful and profound and entertaining it was means a lot. You know, he's really the father of the industry right now for us.
But be it any Bachchan or Amit Khan or Kiran Rao, what special comment have they made on the film to you as well?
The most special comment is that they've said, "Arey, it's such an entertaining, happy film," because I think people, when they first watch it, like they feel that देखनी चाहिए, मतलब award winning है, किरण ने बोला देखो ऐसा, and then they get taken aback that they get so entertained, and that's what I love, that it grabs them.
No, the film is very experimental, very serious.
No, the film is not at all experimental. It's a very mainstream commercial film.
But there is a peppy number in the film as well. How did the song be made? Prashun Joshi have written the song and Neha Kakkar sang the song as well.
Foreign Balamba. Sonu Kakkar. Foreign Balamba. It's a very hit song. You know, even children, I've heard them singing it on the street. It's a very catchy number, and it captures the spirit of our film because our film is very catchy and happy. That's the kind of film it is.
And regarding the special screening of the film for the disabled people, when is the plan for that? For special screening of the disabled people?
That will be in our second weekend because, you know, we are opening tomorrow. Tomorrow's our release date, so that's very, very exciting. We open in theatres across India. It takes time to prepare a special print, and I have to fight with all the theatres because access doesn't exist yet for those on wheelchairs. So I need time to just make sure before I call hundreds of people on wheelchairs, before I call the blind, before I call the deaf, that I create a special access and special print for them.
And after this project, what other films you are working as? Have you planned something in your mind as well? What kind of films you are working?
We're planning after effects of Margarita with a Straw for the next 6 months.
No, right now this is the birth of this film and we are very engaged in it. We can't think of the next one.
It's been really, really positive, really good responses. I think today there was a 5-star from Subhash Keja, which is really great news. Of course, you've all heard about Amitabh sir and Amir Khan, who've praised the film and been moved by the film. Yeah, generally it's been very, very, very good. बिल्कुल प्रेशर है कि हर फिल्म में अच्छा काम करना है. हाँ, प्रेशर है. अभी ऋचा चड्ढा, गुलशन देवैया, मेरे सारे दोस्त आए देखने और उनको बहुत अच्छा लगा और वो काफ़ी ऑनेस्ट है मेरे साथ. हर फिल्म अच्छा नहीं लगते हैं उनको, तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ दैट दे लाइक्ड इट. और एक स्क्रीनिंग भी हुआ कोलकाता में और यहाँ पे भी फॉर अडैप्ट सेंटर डिसेबल लोग के लिए, उनको भी बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मूविंग लगा. तो ये सबसे बड़ी बात है. क्या मतलब? आई थिंक इसमें message, as the film is not trying to preach anything, लेकिन definitely it's about loving yourself. So अगर कोई message है कि it's about loving yourself and accepting yourself. I'm not sure if we have more planned. I think tomorrow Pune में एक screening होगा और उसके बाद पता नहीं क्या plans हैं. Thank you. काफ़ी फिज़िकल प्रेपरेशन किया है इस फिल्म के लिए. 6 महीने में व्हीलचेयर में रही, बहुत रियाज़ किया, रिहर्सल किया और वो मेंटल प्रेपरेशन इसके साथ भी आया. बिकॉज़ जब आप दिन भर व्हीलचेयर में बैठे हुए हैं तो आपको वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता है और वो यू फील लिमिटेड एंड लोग बहुत घूरते हैं, आपको देखते हैं, तो वो सब एडिशन भी हो जाता है. तो डेफिनेटली इट टुक अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेपरेशन बट आई लर्नड अ लॉट एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आई वेंट थ्रू द एक्सपीरियंस. हाँ जी, हार्ड वर्क इज़ पेइंग ऑफ. अभी तो रिलीज़ होने वाली है तो देखते हैं. होपफुली इट विल पे ऑफ इन द बॉक्स ऑफिस ऑल्सो. थैंक यू.
Right. I mean, it's all out. Mr. Bachchan saw it. Amir and Kiran are really supporting the film. Everybody knows about that. And, day before, I think our friends had come. Gulshan Devaiya, Radhika Apte. Today, some of my friends are coming. Vinay Pathak saw it. And they are generally very, very critical about films. But I'm also waiting for my other friends to see it. And because I know they are going to be honest with me. But till now, whoever has seen it, they've only said superlative things about the film, and which is great. It's a great feeling. Yeah. Kalki is really out of the world in the film. I don't think in India, in the country, you've seen a performance of this caliber in the last 2 decades. She's really outdone anything you've seen so far. And I've seen how much work she's put in, and it's paid off. And I'm so proud of her. I'm very happy that she's suddenly raised the bar of acting so high in Indian cinema that everybody else around will get inspired to, sort of match up. I'm very hopeful, yeah. I'm just starting out, so even to have this kind of a response and a buzz about your own film, it's very exciting, very nervous as well. But I think people will go watch it. I have a strong feeling, and everybody is talking about it, thankfully. A lot of youngsters, all kinds of people. So yeah, it's word of mouth. Please come watch the film, and you should watch the film and ask people to.